Hello and welcome to today's video all about breech baby turning exercises. I've already uploaded a video onto my YouTube channel where I show you exercises that you can do using a birth ball to help to turn your breech baby head down. But in this video I'm going to be teaching you some additional techniques that you can implement at home to help turn your breech baby into the best position for a vaginal delivery. If we haven't already met, welcome to my channel. My name's Anja and I'm an antenatal class teacher specialising in hypnobirthing. On my YouTube channel you'll find pregnancy tips, birth preparation videos, as well as a series of hypnobirthing relaxation audios for you to enjoy. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon so you'll get notified when I upload new videos for you. There's new ones every single Tuesday. It's really normal for your baby to be in all sorts of different positions in your womb during the first and second trimester. But by the third trimester, if your baby is in a breech position, so that's either bum first or feet first, we really need to start encouraging your baby to turn head down and ideally be in this position, which is called an anterior facing position. So it means that your baby is head down and facing your back or your bottom. Having a head down baby by 37 weeks is best because it means that you're much more likely to have a vaginal delivery. But if you're approaching 37 weeks or maybe you're even 38 or 39 weeks pregnant, I don't need to worry about having a breech baby because there are things that you can do at home that are harmless and non-invasive to help your breech baby to turn. So let's delve into my top tips for turning your breech baby head down. So my first tip is to use light. So what you can do is turn off the lights in the room that you're in, make sure that the room is dark, then get a torch or another type of bright light and then shine it right down at the bottom of your baby bump. By the end of the second trimester, your baby is going to be able to identify light outside the womb. So if you shine a light right down at the bottom of your tummy, your baby will follow the light and is more likely to turn head down to be able to get closer to the light. So please try that tip with either a lamp, a torch or any other bright light that you've got available that you can hold with your hand. Shine it right down at the bottom of your tummy and see what your baby does. You might need to do this a few times over a period of a couple of days, but keep persevering with it because it can work. My second tip is to use the power of sound. So by 28 weeks of pregnancy, your baby's hearing is going to be fully developed and they're going to be responding to sound more and more. So what you can do is play some calming and relaxing music and then with a Bluetooth speaker or whatever device you're playing the music on, maybe a set of headphones for example, put the headphones playing the music or the Bluetooth speaker playing the music right at the bottom of your tummy and your baby is going to follow the sound and that can encourage them to turn head down as well. Again, as with the light, you might need to persevere with this and do it several times a day over a period of a couple of days and see what your baby gets up to. This technique has been tried and tested by a lot of my hypnobirthing mums and it has been very successful, so please make sure that you do try this tip. My third tip is to talk to your baby. So take some time out each day to stroke your baby bump or to even massage it gently with some oil, then say to your baby with confidence and assertiveness, "It's time to get head down now baby, ready for your birthday." So have faith that your baby is listening to your words, especially if you've gone past the 28-week point in your pregnancy because, as I said before, your baby's hearing is going to be fully developed by that point. Keep talking and saying those words with intention. It's time to get head down baby now, we're ready for you to come soon. So start turning into the best position for birth please and just see what your baby does. Hopefully that technique could work for you as well. My fourth tip is to book a pregnancy massage with a prenatal therapist. So during pregnancy, it's pretty common to feel stressed and anxious at times, but stress can actually cause a build-up of tension in and around your abdominal area, in the muscles, ligaments and tendons. So if you book in for a relaxing and calming prenatal massage, what that does is it allows you to release any tension that you might have been carrying in your abdominal area, and that in turn creates more space in your pelvic area for your baby to move into the best head down position ready for a vaginal delivery. And this has to be my favourite tip, tip number 5, and it's called the ice pack hot water bottle technique. So what you would do is go to your freezer and get out a bag of frozen peas or get some ice cubes and wrap them up in a tea towel. Then place the tea towel right at the top of your baby bump. And then get some warm but not boiling hot water in a hot water bottle and place that right down at the bottom of your baby bump. I can't really show you properly because I'm sitting down, but it's basically going to look like this, okay? And just keep the frozen peas and the hot water bottle in those positions for about 10 minutes and see what your baby does. You might have to do this several times a day for a few days, again, as with the other techniques. But what will happen when you do this technique is your baby will feel brain freeze. So they'll feel this coldness coming through the skin and they'll be like, oh, it's chilly, my head's feeling all cold. But they're also going to feel the warmth down at the bottom of your tummy. And so your baby will want to turn their head down towards the warmth. And this, according to my hypnobirthing mums, has been the most successful technique that they've tried to get their breech babies to turn head down. So that's why it's my favourite tip. It's worked for so many clients that I've worked with, and they've all gone on to have comfortable, natural vaginal deliveries. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope that it's been useful. Please let me know in the comments section which technique you're thinking of trying first to turn your breech baby head down. If you'd like to join one of my free hypnobirthing taster sessions, simply click the link in the video description below to register. Wishing you lots of health and happiness, and see you again soon.